Hey there, this is Jesse at Redshift, and today I'll be showing you a demonstration of importing procedures. In this demo, we will import both a PowerPoint and Word document as editable procedures. We'll also show importing a PDF file as read-only. Finally, we'll talk a little bit about how imports can apply to the step library. Without further ado, let's jump right in. After logging into Redshift, go to the Procedures app in the left menu, then click New Procedure. Once on this form, we're going to click the Import button at the top. We're also going to be starting with a PowerPoint file, so let's click that option. After selecting a file and clicking Next, we're presented with options to choose which slides get imported. In this example, we don't need slide 2, so we'll unselect it. The import can take some time depending on the number of slides in the file, so you may continue on in the system and will notify you when the import is complete. In our demo, we'll just wait for the import to finish. After import, we can see the new procedure with each slide being added as a step. Since this is a PowerPoint file, each slide will be imported as a Canvas step, which means they will be fully editable just as they would be in PowerPoint. From here, the procedure can be edited like normal in Redshift, choosing a part, bill of materials, or adding parts and actions to the steps. For more information about step content, check out our video on procedure basics. Let's go ahead and rename the procedure and the steps, and tweak the formatting a bit to fit the browser window. Next, let's import another procedure, this time from a Word document. Back on the New Procedure form, let's select the Import as Editable option. This will take in either a PDF or a Word document, and in our case, we'll use a Word document. After import, we now have the procedure in Redshift's format where we can edit freely, but this time in the document format instead of Canvas. The final way to import procedures is in the read-only viewer format. This is comparable to having a read-only PDF file that you can step through. We'll go back to the new procedure form and this time select read-only. We now have the same procedure as before, but this time the content is not editable, but the formatting from the Word document has been retained more closely. This is useful for doing bulk imports where you don't expect to make any changes and want the imported procedures to remain static. The last thing we'll note is that all of these import methods also apply to the step library. Here, you can select the same types of files and imports, only the slides or documents will be imported as library steps instead and will not be contained within a single procedure. For more information, watch our videos on how to use the step library. And with that, our video comes to a conclusion. To recap, this demonstration has shown how to import procedures into Redshift. We've gone over importing from a PowerPoint file, a Word document, and a read-only PDF. We've also gone over importing a single slide into the step library. For more content around using Redshift, be sure to subscribe and don't hesitate to get in touch if you'd like to learn more or to get a personalized demo. This is Jesse at Redshift, and we'll see you next time.